To fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. Tap on it to open it. Now, you have to search for Boomplay app. When you find this Boomplay app, what you have to do is to tap on update over here. As you can see, just tap on this update to make sure to get the latest update of it. So after getting the latest update of it, you're going to see open over here like this. And what you have to do next is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So now when you see your phone settings, just tap on it, and after tapping on your phone settings, what you have to do is to search for apps and notification. Just tap on the app and notifications. So after tapping on it, wait for it to load. Now tap on see your apps. After tapping on see your apps, you have to wait as it's loading. So now what you have to do is to search for Boomplay app. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. After that, tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache, then you tap on clear cache. Now go back and tap on notifications and make sure every show notification is turned on over here. Now go back, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed, which is very important as I already did it. So tap on mobile data and make sure the background data is still good on. Go back and try to restart your device. So tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart or reboot, and you're going to see this. Tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed as of tapping on OK. See you in my next video.